At syempre, kung bakit tayo nandirito, dahil sa pag-ibig. Dahil sa pag-iibigan ni Len at ni Errol, natitipon tayo dito.
Thankful ako kasi alam kong may isang taong lagi akong pipiliin. Thank you for giving me, for choosing me kahit sa napakahirap na sitwasyon.
Errol, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Thank you sa lahat ng respeto at pagmamahal na binibigay mo sa magulang. Pangako lagi mo akong kasama sa lahat ng hamon ng buhay. Lagi kitang re-respetuhin. Lagi mo akong kakampi. You will never walk alone.
Len, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Sa kasal, tatanggapin nila ang pagbabasbas ng Diyos. At sila ay patatatagin ng Diyos sa kanilang pag-iibigan.
Love, when we first met sa BDO Pacific Star, binudol mo na ako agad. Nung nagpa-reserve ako ng new bills, tapos sabi mo, balikan ko na lang bukas.
Tapos paglapit mo sa akin, sabi ko, "Sir, may credit card ka na?" Tapos tumawa ka lang, sabi mo, "Hindi pa po wala pa po kasi akong 6 months, so di pa ako makapag-apply ng credit card."
Kinabukasan, wala ka sa BDO. Yun pala, hiniram ka lang sa kabilang branch. Pero dahil doon, nagkalapit tayo sa isa't isa.
Reminds me that sink me into sleep. Sink me into sleep.
I believe it was a love at first sight. Lalo na nung kinausap mo ko, para lang magpapalit ka ng new bills.
Thankful ako kasi sinagot mo pa rin ako kahit na alam mong maintaining balance lang yun naman ng account ko.
Dreaming of only you who can calm the thunders. Only you who can steal the color. Oh, it's only you, my love. Only you, my love. It's only you. Come
Ay, ang ganda
ease
naman ng
my
lagayan.
slumber.
Bayad lupa! Wow, it's back! Alam kong binigay ka sa akin ni God. Kaya pangakong lagi kitang aalagaan. Imamassage kita kahit paalang. Asahan mong susubukan kong magpasakop sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita.
I feel it most. Take your hand, pull you close. Want it all.
The journey may not be easy, but today it's all worth it. Thank you for making me love, special, and care. Thank you for loving me the way I am. Thank you for everything you did for me. Thank you for coming in my life. You know this, My siblings and my parents are my priorities in the world. I think they will understand. Starting today and for the rest of my life, you will be my priorities and my favorite person in the world. I'll promise I always do my best to keep you happy. No matter what happens, I always be with you and do my best because you deserve the world. I vow to be here by your side, hand in hand, now and forever, even after I pass. Love you.
You're still on my mind.